Hello everyone, welcome to Finite with Aways. In this video, I'm going to unbox that material which was gifted from my sister. I don't know what inside it. Come, let's start the unboxing. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos and help me to reach 1k subscribers. This gift was gifted from my sister in Flipkart. It is a large gift. I don't know what is it. Come, let's start the unboxing. Its packing is good. It was delivered from Flipkart. Now I am unboxing it. This packing is good. It has so many layers of packing. Please think what inside it. I am also thinking what is inside it. I have time still unboxing. Oh, this is tripod stand, tripod phone stand. It is tripod phone stand. Yes, aluminum tripod phone stand. The stand quality is good. The base of it, and it has three clips to extend tripod stand. The mobile holder is also good, and it is made up of plastic, not aluminum mobile holder. The base of it is also good, made up of thin aluminum bars. And it extends up to 6.8 feet, 200 centimeters. It extends up to 200 centimeters. See how it looks. Now I'm writing first. Still it places up. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and encourage me for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.